business pivot. So, yung business pivot, or kasi meron tayong tinatawag sa business na time to pivot eh. So, yun yung oras daw na kailangan mo nang gamitin yung business pivot. So, ano tong business pivot? Yun yung pagbabago ng direksyon ng isang business. Or yung kanilang goal, kailangan nilang baguhin para ma-maintain yung success or mag-succeed sila doon sa kanilang endeavor. Yung kailangan nilang umikot. Pivot means umikot. Turn to something positive. At yung tinatawag nilang time to pivot, yun yung tinitignan nila kapag mababa na yung kanilang KPI, which is alam naman yan ng mga business managers or kung sino man. Pag sinabi ng KPI na ganun sila with the proper analysis, then sa kanila gagamitin yung tinatawag na business pivot. They would turn to something profitable, they would turn to something marketable, yung mga ganyan. So, yun lang yung ibig sabihin ng business pivot. So, yun lang po.